Seeing a match like this makes me proud to be part of this company.
I'm with you, partner. You just can't experience a thrill like this anywhere else.
And that's because you're not going to see athletes like the WWE superstars anywhere else, Cole.
You certainly aren't. They're the greatest athletes in the world. And this is the only place you'll see them doing what they do best.
Oh, man. A slap like that doesn't tickle. Believe you me.
Hurricane Rana. Hurricane Rana.
There's the cover.
Dude, is that it? No, only a 2 count.
And there's the leg drop.
Look at this. No fear on the face of this superstar.
And there's the Russian leg sweep. A flying forearm sending the opponent crashing to the ground. God, good Lord, what force, what crippling force off that slam.
You can't underestimate Melina. She's not just another pretty face. She's an incredibly accomplished female competitor.
Yeah, this could be 3 right here.
2, 3, and there's an elimination.
What a kick that was. The sick neck breaker. Oh, what an elbow drop. A vicious stomp. A striking elbow staggering the opponent.
Oh, man. A slap like that doesn't tickle. Believe you me.
What a devastating maneuver.
I've been looking forward to this match all night.
So have I. It's certainly been one of the most anticipated matchups in recent weeks.
What a display of power.
There are limits to the amount of punishment that a human body can absorb. And if you want proof of that, just take a look at these superstars.
It's nothing flashy, but it's most certainly effective. What fantastic extension on that leg drop. The senton connects. That's a stiff kick.
Sometimes the simplest moves work best. She's going for it. Here's the pin. 1,
2, 3.
stick a fork in it. This match is done.
Here are your winners, the Star and the Superstar.
I don't think there's any question in anyone's mind who won that match.
There shouldn't be. If you pin your opponent and the ref counts 3, that's it.
And that may be it for the match, but I hope it's not the last time we see these superstars in the ring together.